Hi, in this class, I would like to discuss plagiarism. Okay, in research and methodology, I would like to discuss plagiarism.
If you decided to publish a research paper in a research journal, before you are going to submit that paper, you have to check the paper for plagiarism.
Okay, and the paper when you are going to submit for publication, before that you have to check the plagiarism. Okay, that means your paper should be plagiarism free. You know what is a plagiarism? You know what is plagiarism? Okay, plagiarism means using some other person's ideas, information without acknowledging that specific person as the source. Okay, this plagiarism means you are using some other person's ideas and information without acknowledging them. Okay, without acknowledging them. Okay, simply we can define this plagiarism is presenting someone else's work as your own. Okay, if in your paper you are you are writing some others information, some others research information as your own, that is known as plagiarism. Okay, that means plagiarism. And in scientific field, plagiarism is a serious threat to scientific publications. And if you are submitting a manuscript into a journal, that manuscript should be free from plagiarism. Okay, that manuscript should be free from plagiarism. And it is the responsibility of an author to make his manuscript free from plagiarism. Okay, it is the responsibility of the author to make his research article, his manuscript free from that plagiarism. And if you are submitting a plagiarized paper into a journal, that journal will reject your paper. Okay, that means no one journal will accept plagiarized paper. That means if any if any article or manuscript that contain plagiarism, so uh, journal will reject your paper. Okay, so to avoid this plagiarism, or to avoid the plagiarism, you develop skill to write manuscripts in your own words, and also quote reference if you are taking any information from other sources. Okay, to avoid plagiarism, you develop skill to write manuscript in your own words and quote the reference if you are taking any information from other source. And there are, after preparing the manuscript, after preparing the manuscript, after writing the manuscript, there are so many softwares is there that will help you to check if any plagiarism is there. Okay, after writing this thesis or manuscript or research report, you have to check your that document for plagiarism. Okay, for plagiarism, so there are different softwares is there that allow you to check the plagiarism. Okay, I use University Grants Commission. Okay, University of Grant Commission, UGC India. They are giving software. They are providing software to institution, universities and some higher education institution. One software that is known as Urkund software. Okay, this Urkund software can be used to check the plagiarism before the submission of manuscript. Okay, there are different software is there, but this Orkund is the most common software using in the universities and higher education institutions. Okay, some other institute are also using different softwares, but Orkund is the main major software using to check the plagiarism in the manuscript in universities. Okay, and if you are copying, okay, if you are copying any ideas, information from other source, so there will be some consequences. Okay, there will be some consequences. The consequences of plagiarism could range from disciplinary charges such as retraction of the article to criminal charges. Okay, and the consequence of this plagiarism, consequence due to the plagiarism may be vary from universities and institutes. Okay, there'll be some disciplinary action in various universities and institutes. Okay, if anyone found plagiarism in manuscripts or thesis or does reports, then the university will take disciplinary charges against the authors. Okay, this is the plagiarism. I hope you understood this. Thank you for listening.